Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be monogramming a name on a bath towel using my Ricoma 10 needle embroidery machine. So if you are interested in this kind of video, please stay tuned. So my design has finished. I'm just going to go ahead and cut all the little jump threads that are hanging around, and then I'm going to take the water soluble stabilizer off. I really like the way that the stitches are sitting on top of the towel. That's the purpose of the water soluble stabilizer if you're new to embroidery and you didn't know that. If you didn't use it, your stitches would sink down in the nap of the towel and it wouldn't really look good. You probably wouldn't even be able to tell what the design says. So I love the way that it turned out on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up and remove the pins and remove the stabilizer. If you enjoyed this kind of video, just sitting and being able to watch the machine stitch out, leave me a comment down below. If you prefer a different type of embroidery video with more talking, leave me a comment down below and let me know that as well. So if you are new to my channel, I hope that you stick around and subscribe. Be sure to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. You will see weekly videos on embroidery, on sublimation, and weekly budgeting videos. And if I have the time, I'll throw in a random craft video during the week. So guys, I will see you in the next one, and I hope that you all have a great and happy week.